All right, my name is Tim Brennan, and I'm the founder and CEO of Torch College Recruiting. And today I'm doing a tutorial for high school recruits on how you can create a free Torch profile, how you can use Torch to connect and chat with over 600 college track and field coaches, and how college coaches can connect with you as well. I'm really excited to get started. Let's go. All right, first things first, I'm going to show you how you can create a Torch profile. First, you need to go to torchcollegerecruiting.com and then click Create a Free Profile. From here, you go to a new link for your recruit sign up. I'm going to put in my own information as if I was still a recruited athlete, but you can put in your first name, last name, email address, and password and sign up. From here, you're going to be directed to your profile page where you're going to input all the information that coaches are looking for in order to recruit you. You can start by your profile tile, which will include your hometown, state, personal best, class year, your academic information, including your GPA, SAT, ACT scores, height, weight, etc. After, you can click Save and update your profile, and then continue to complete the rest of your profile. And once you've completed your profile, it'll look something like this. You will have all the information that coaches need to recruit you all in one spot. On the profile tile, they can see your class year, your event groups, your personal bests, height, weight, GPA, SAT, ACT if you've taken it, and they can see your contact information, including your phone number and your email address. And you'll have a link to your Torch profile if you want to share it on your social media pages as well. Coaches can see your athletic accomplishments, your NCAA eligibility number, and your personal bests. Just remember when you save your personal bests to not include any blank spaces. So if you don't have a PR, just make sure that the PR continues to be saved as 0. And we give you a reminder here as well. We also enable you to add profile links to your MileSplit, athletic.net, YouTube, and other pages. That might include your social media pages. We have an academic summary for coaches to look after. And we have your athletic measurables as well, including your vertical jump, broad jump, bench, squat, clean, snatch, etc. We also give you the opportunity to add your extracurriculars, your interests and hobbies, the description of your ideal college, and your academic interests as well. And we enable you to add your references, including a coach and your counselor. So if coaches need to get in contact with their high school coach or club coach or your high school counselor, they can find that all on your Torch profile. After you created your profile will not be verified until I can personally make sure that the information here is correct. That's why for your GPA, you need to add your transcripts, which you can add for yourself here. And that's why you need to include your MileSplit or athletic.net profiles so I can verify your PRs as well. All right, now that I've showed you how to set up your profile, I'm going to show you how you can start connecting and chatting with coaches. So first, starting on your Torch profile, you can go to the coaches directory by clicking coaches at the top of the screen here. From here, you'll see our complete directory of over 600 college coaches. And you can search for coaches by all the filters that we have here between college filters, athletic filters, financial filters, etc. So let's say you're looking for a school that has an average cost after aid of under $30,000, that has excellent financial aid, that has an acceptance rate of under 24%, that has less than 10,000 students or 11,000 students on campus, and that has a throws coach. And from here, you can see that there are plenty of colleges that meet that criteria, and those coaches are on Torch. And you can express interest in them by just pressing this green button. And I'm going to show you what happens after that right now. So right after you express interest in Coach Smith, she gets a notification that you are interested in getting recruited to that school. And from here, after clicking on that notification, she'll be sent to the connections part of her page, where she can see all of her pending connections. And that includes your request. From here, she can either accept your request and start a chat, or she can delete the request if she's not interested. She can also click on your profile to see your complete profile. So not only can she just see the summary of your profile there, on your profile tile, but she can see your entire profile as well. From here, she can go back to our connections page, and she can either accept or reject the request. If she accepts it, you will start a connection with that coach, and she can start a chat with you directly on that page. And from there, you've started a conversation with the coach just in a few clicks. On Torch, over 600 college coaches that are on our network can also express interest into you. Here's a fake profile for my old college track coach, Barry Harwick, and he can search for athletes by going to the athlete directory on Torch. And from here, he can search for athletes that meet his academic, athletic, and other criteria as well. So let's say that Barry is looking for a thrower that has above a 3.54 GPA, that has above a 1300-ish on the SAT, that's above 1.79 meters tall, and that has thrown the shot put over 15 meters. And from here, you can see all the athletes that meet that criteria. And from here, you can either click on their athlete's profile right here to check out their entire profile. So if he's interested in learning a little bit more about you, about your athletic bio and accomplishments, about your extracurriculars, about your references, he has access to that there. And if he goes back to the athlete directory portal, he can express interest in you in the same way you express interest in the coaches, just by pressing this green button right here. And now I'll show you what it'll look like on your end when coaches express interest into you. So logging back into my Torch profile, I can see that a coach has expressed his interest in me from that notification. And by going to our connections page, which is also available here, you have the ability to either accept or reject a coach's request. So if you want to see the coach's full profile, you can click on their profile here. Or if you're interested in getting recruited by them, you can accept the request. And from here, you can directly start DMing coaches. It's as simple as that. And that'll take you to your messages portal on Torch, where you can have all of your conversations with college coaches all stored in one place. Congrats on finishing the Torch tutorial. Now you know how to create a free Torch recruiting profile on torchcollegerecruiting.com. You know how to connect and chat with over 600 college coaches on Torch, and you know how they can connect and chat with you as well. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at tim@torchcollegerecruiting.com.